Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I hope everyone is doing well and staying positive. Here's another video to keep your creative juices flowing in the kitchen. Thank you for joining me today as I share my homemade beef stir fry with Jasmine Rice. It is simple, easy, and delicious. It is a great meal to cook at home when you desire to get some takeout but don't feel like going out to get it or spending the extra money. It's a big hit in my home. I hope it's a big hit in your home. To my growing and returning subscribers, thank you so much for all of your support. Remember to like and share my video. And if this is your first time here, I hope you become a part of my family's meal. I recently discovered this red curry paste and I absolutely love it. It is spicy. I started off with a little bit, but I actually ended up using the half a teaspoon red curry and it was perfect for everyone in my home. If I was cooking this for myself, I probably would have used a tablespoon. I would have enjoyed that as well. Now, as you can see here, I used baking soda and I seasoned it with some of the red curry paste and the ginger infused because baking soda is a natural tenderizer. However, if you leave it on for too long, it can have a weird, just distinct taste. So I did this marination for about 15 to 20 minutes. I wouldn't do it longer than a half an hour because the baking soda would tenderize the meat too much, leaving the meat with a mushy texture. Now, the meat that I use here was labeled as beef stew meat, also known as chuck. As you can see, I sliced it very thin so that the cooking process could be quicker and also the flavors of their marination can get into the meat. witnessing history here. This is one of my favorite pots, and I had to throw it away after I cooked this meal because it was just not cooking right and uneven. Luckily, I did not burn my food, so I put my meat in the back burner where the burner was off. I continued to cook my veggies and then added everything together when everything was cooked through to my liking, and added the sauce, and it was absolutely delicious. So you'll see here I added my sauce and then add a little bit more water to get more of the juice. Next time I will double up on the sauce to make sure that everything gets coated very well. And I previously pre-froze my green onions and tried to use them, but when I tried to use them, they were soggy, so that's a no-no. I ended up using fresh green onions from my garden. If this happens to you, I would just go ahead and grind it up and use that as a paste, or make a sofrito out of it and to be able to freeze it. Thank you so much for your support and watching my video. Make sure to share and subscribe. Thanks so much.